my name is Samart Desai. I'm in 6th grade and I go to Brookline Middle School in Parsippany.
Hello, my name is Anand Gowda. I'm in 4th grade in Alan W. Roberts Elementary School in New Providence.
Hello, my name is Abd Sharma. I'm in 6th grade and I go to Alan W. Roberts, New Providence.
So we think of astronauts as brave and courageous people. They're kind of like our superheroes. But what we don't think about are the struggles and problems they face in space. Our essential question for this topic is,
how do we stop astronauts from facing social and emotional problems?
So, astronauts face many different problems in space. One set of problems include environmental problems. This includes radiation. Other problems are physical problems, such as muscle loss and weightlessness. Other problems are psychological problems, claustrophobia and lack of privacy. The final problems that we decided to focus on were social and emotional problems. So, an everyday human being and an astronaut have very different lives. Astronauts have to make very many adjustments in space. What astronauts are missing, which is such a key factor, is family time when they come back from work and do their daily duties.
Our hypothesis to this problem statement is that we will use virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence to create a virtual world where astronauts can do and experience whatever Earth activity they wanted. How we came to this hypothesis is, while we were thinking about this problem, we were doing a VR course in school, where we learned what virtual reality is, and we were wearing the VR headset, and we're immersed in this whole world. So we all thought, why not use virtual reality to solve our problem?
Over here, it's our data table. These are the astronauts, and these astronauts were from various countries. But something in common that they all face is they face social and emotional problems. We also gathered some military data, and even though they're still on Earth, they still face depression. Now think about how the astronauts are feeling when they're not even on Earth, they're in space.
So, we did a lot of research along our way. And one of the videos we saw was a video about holoportation and Microsoft Research. We also watched many videos about 360-degree view, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence. And we also read this book called Into Orbit, which talked about astronauts' daily lives and what they go through. We also watched many videos about virtual reality.
Our solution has two major components. Component number one is this virtual world, where astronauts can experience whatever Earth activity they want to. And component number two is our intelligent companion robot, which can act as the astronaut's family member or friend. The companion robot can also sense the astronaut's mood and use that to cheer the astronaut up.
5 minutes. Thank you. Okay.
I've talked about two solutions. The first solution is creating a virtual world in the Space Center using virtual reality. Virtual reality could help astronauts by immersing them into Earth-like activities and situations. Over here is our virtual world that we made, and there are many rooms here. So the astronaut just puts on the VR headsets, and then he gets immersed in this virtual world. He has a menu of options of what he wants to do, such as the game room. He can play chess or checkers with his family. If he chooses the family room, he can have a Thanksgiving dinner with his family members. And even if he chooses a beach, he can hang out with his family. Now Sammy will explain how the companion robot is also helpful for astronauts.
So, the second component is an intelligent companion robot that acts as a partner for the astronaut. It gives him company and follows him. The intelligent companion robot has the ability to take the avatar of a family member or friend. And the avatar will act with artificial intelligence. It will act and behave like that family member. So, for example, let's say this is the companion robot and it's acting as my, let's say this is my daughter Kelly, but it's just the companion robot. With artificial intelligence, it'll act and interact with me just like my normal daughter would. Also, this companion robot has the abilities to like know my mood, and if I'm sad that day, it can cheer me up.
Just saying, this is all virtual. It will take up no space in the space station.
We shared our ideas with our school science teachers, and we emailed professors. We also shared our ideas with Indian Space Research Organization. We also shared our ideas with 2 other FLL teams. We all had the same idea about VR, but something unique that we thought of is that we used a companion robot.
Okay, good.
So, along our journey in finding our solution, we got many recommendations from experts. One recommendation is to make our solution as detailed and real world as possible.
Are you guys near the end, or?
Yeah, we're almost there.
Okay, because we want to ask some other questions. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some hindrances we expect to face using our solution are the maturity of the technology that we can use in space, the materials we can use in space, the size of the data that we have to transfer, and the time it will take to transfer the data.
Also, another recommendation we got was to keep on changing the activities in the solution, because the astronaut would get bored of doing the same old thing for like a long journey, a year or so.
That it?
Okay.
So, therefore, our solution proves our hypothesis, and
Okay, very good.
We
Nicely done.
Yeah.
We have a
Very
song
well.
for you.
You have a song?
yeah.
Hit it.
The spaceship isn't the best place to find company, so the VR's where I go. Me and my family sat on the couch last night watching our favorite show.
Even though we're apart, we can still play darts and dive in our swimming pool. So sing it now. I'm finally not alone. I'm basically back at home.
I missed you, VR with you. I'm back with my family. Is this happening really? I'm back with my son Nelly and my daughter Kelly. VR, 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 VR with you. VR, 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 VR with you.
Hey, good job. Well
Do you
done.
guys have any questions?
We do. Let's see, where do we start? You kind of covered your sources of information, right? Oh, the first question that came to my mind was, so these 2 solutions, they're independent solutions, but you're recommending both, right? The virtual reality would work on its own, right? Whether you had the intelligent robot as well, or the intelligent robot would be helpful without the VR.
Time's up.
Okay, thank you. We'll be done in a minute.
Do they work together?
The
They work
companion
together,
robot
right?
is in the virtual world.
Ah,
So-
okay.
So you combine them
Yeah.
both.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it makes it almost 4-dimensional.
So that's what makes yours unique.
Right.
Okay, very good.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have heard another 3D design, or 3D design, 2 3D designs
Yeah,
before
yeah.
then, right? That's different.
So, what other
Very
questions do we have quickly? Do we have any? You guys all worked on this together? Who was the leader of the project?
We actually all thought of this. So I was kind of the leader of this. I worked on it a lot, but we also all worked on it.
We kind of split up our work in this competition. Like, I acted as, like we met up at each other's houses every week, and also we did conference calls every day. So
That's great. That's great.
Put a lot of work.
Yeah, clearly you spent a lot of time with us. Do you have any idea how many hours you invested in all of this?
A lot. You're trying to do your homework or not?
We not really.
Okay.
Luckily,
All right,
I
guys.
didn't get so much
Thank you.
homework.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Great job.
Thank you.
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you.
Well done.